If you are undertaking a software development project and you're interested in services similar to what Gun.io has to offer, in this episode, we will compare them and break everything down for you. Let's start with Gun.io versus X-Team. Founded in 2006, X-Team is an Australian company that specializes in providing skilled freelancers for web and mobile app development. Like Gun.io, X-Team is an unmanaged freelancer platform. They claim on their website that they have straightforward contracts with no hidden fees for hiring, releasing developers. While Gun.io doesn't specify whether or not they incentivize their employees to learn new skills, something that adds value to the client experience, X-Team claims that they offer cash incentives to promote their developers' personal growth. To sum up, keep in mind that X-Team, like Gun.io, doesn't manage project development, nor do they provide any PM&T for this. This is likely to be a central concern for client companies who don't have the relevant managerial expertise available, and so make X-Team as unsuitable as Gun.io. Gun.io versus XB Software. XB Software is based in Minsk, Belarus. They have been in business for just over 10 years, so they can rightly claim to have plenty of experience. The company's business model is also very similar to Gun.io. However, they claim to have industry experience in the following areas: fleet management software, enterprise resource planning software, data visualization software, and school management software. XB Software's technical expertise does seem quite broad. For e.g., their front-end expertise ranges from React.js to WebEx, and their back-end expertise ranges from Node.js to .NET. This makes them a good option for most types of general project development. However, the company seems to lack experience in more complex projects like blockchain-based solutions, etc. Gun.io versus ValueCoders. ValueCoders is an India-based freelance development company. They now have over 13 years worth of industry experience and claim to have around 450 full-time employees. The company claims expertise in most areas of general software development. This includes mobile app development, web development, blockchain solutions, AR/VR development, among others. For complex projects, or for those companies without the required development experience, ValueCoders represents a better choice than Gun.io. However, ValueCoders' lack of sophisticated project management tools and processes is a huge drawback for those wishing to undertake complex projects. Gun.io versus DevTeam.Space. DevTeam.Space is a data-driven, agile software development platform. Unlike other competitors, DevTeam.Space is exclusively centered on software development, allowing us to focus on coding the most kick-ass products on the planet. At DevTeam.Space, you're matched with the most relevant field expert development teams. The project management process is agile and data-driven. As a part of the process, you're guided by a tech account manager and a tech project manager at no additional cost. During the project development process, you'll receive daily bite-sized updates and weekly performance reports. Gun.io does not offer any of these management tools or real-time project oversight to its clients. Neither does it offer anything like the detailed daily or weekly reports to its clients that DevTeam.Space offers. Simply by accessing the project dashboard, you can see reports about the ongoing sprint that include everything from project performance scores, team performance breakdowns, and project progress information. All this means that you will always be 100% aware of exactly where your project is at and how we are performing. This means that all of our clients sleep well at night. DevTeam.Space's service is designed to be particularly helpful for businesses with complex long-term projects. Usually, these projects require building mobile and web apps and require serious architecture and security expertise, with some experts being connected to the project on a per-request basis. These types of projects, depending on a client's business stage, can easily be scaled from a team of 3 people to 100 times of engineers. By offering this complete package, DevTeam.Space takes away all the stress and time-consuming effort that goes with complex product development. This means that you can focus your time and efforts on developing your marketing strategy and on business growth. Okay, this is it for the breakdown of software development companies that are similar to Gun.io. Don't forget to check out the link to the full article in the description, and until next time.